Hey everyone, before I start today's video, I want to let you know that I will be having some upcoming holiday giveaways, so make sure to turn notifications on and also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my link down below and just stay tuned for that. And in today's video, I'll be doing an accessories haul plus a little bit of an unboxing, so if you want to see any of these new pieces, then just keep on watching. The first two pieces are from Wellington, and their products can be found online or in stores, and they have such a great range for men and women. They have so many beautiful designs. So with this bundle, it comes with two different products, and the first item is a classic petite Melrose watch, and this features an eggshell white dial and it has a rose gold mesh strap. And honestly, this is such a beautiful design. I've been looking for something like this for the longest while, so I'm really happy to add this to my collection. And with the design, it is very lightweight and it's extremely comfy to wear. And something that I was really happy was that this is very easy to size. I was able to do that very quickly, and overall it's just a really nice piece. And the second item in this bundle is the classic cuff, and this one is in rose gold and the size is a small. And with this, it's such a dainty bracelet and it has such a great fit since it is an open cuff, so I was able to slide it on and off my wrist very easily. And with these two pieces, they look great worn alone or paired together. I also want to let you know about their awesome holiday offer, so you can save 10% off when purchasing 2 or more products online or in store, and they also do free shipping worldwide and free gift wrapping. Plus, using the code LiveLoveGlam gets you an additional 15% off the deal, which is amazing, and I'll make sure to leave all that information down below. With this next piece, it's extremely special to me because it has my name on it, and I definitely don't have anything like it. So it's from the brand called Solo Meal, and they have a really great range of items that can be personalized, and this specifically is the curved bar necklace. And this is a high quality handmade piece plated in 18 karat Italian gold. It has an 18-inch chain and a 2-inch extender. It's super lightweight and such a classic design, and I would definitely recommend checking it out. These next two items, I picked them up at Toronto Premium Outlets, and they have such amazing deals there. So with this first item, I actually did see this at Coach a little while back, but the deal was okay. I think it was maybe like 40 or 50% off. So I was able to get this for 60% off plus an additional 10% off. So this is a necklace, and it's such a beautiful piece. I honestly love the design of this. I'm not sure the name of it, but if I can find the name, I'll definitely leave that somewhere in the video. So I was really happy to find this. And the next item that I picked up is a purse from Kate Spade, and I love the color of this. I don't have anything in this shade, and the thing about it is, I'll give you a little bit of a story. I did have a purse that I was not totally in love with, and basically it was because of the fit. It was a little bit on the boxy side. I did feature that in my collection video, and I did mention that as well. So since the fit wasn't working great for me, I just decided to return it, and I got this one instead. And with the Kate Spade, it is printed on, which I don't prefer. I do like when it is the metal, but since it did have the little printed metal and it's such a cute design, I just decided to pick it up since I was doing an exchange. And with this purse, it is very spacious. It has 3 pockets, and overall it's just a really nice design. And then the next item that I got is this necklace, and it's from Swarovski, and it's such a cute style. I like that it has a little martini glass and it has 3 gems there as well, so it's just a cute piece. And the next item that I want to show you, and the last item, is from Michael Kors, but I actually got this, I think it was at like Marshalls or Winners. That is definitely places that I like to check out when I want to get brand names for less. So this is how the style looks. It's a nice dainty piece, and I like that it's easy to put on and put off your wrist. You can just use this to slide it down or up and adjust it to fit your wrist. So that's it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want any more information about any of the pieces that I showed today, just check the description box below, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!